Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, we have completed this chapter. Yes, chapter number 5, that is Project Sunshine. Yes, and also we have discussed the question answers. Yes, section A, section B, section C, and section D. So, children, in the last class, we have discussed personal pronouns. Yes, words such as I, me, he, she, him, her, it, we, us, you, they, and them that can take the place of nouns are called personal pronouns. Yes, children. So, here, children, now in today's class we are going to discuss possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, so here open your English textbook, page number 55. Let's read these sentences. Okay, whose plane is this? It is his. This is his plane. So children, see here, it is his. So here his is a possessive pronoun. This is his plane. So here children, here his is possessive adjectives. So children, the possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers. These are possessive pronouns, and possessive adjectives are my, our, your, my, or your, his, her, its, and their are possessive adjectives. Yes, possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Okay, and possessive adjectives my, our, your, his, her, its, and their are possessive adjectives. So children, see here possessive adjectives. Okay, so children, basically a possessive adjectives tells you about an ownership or position of something. Okay, tells you someone owns something. Yes, so here children, it is his means basically a possessive adjective tells you about the ownership, yes, or position of something. Yes, so tell you someone owns something. Yes, so it's called possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. Yes, this is his plane. Yes, it is his. This is possessive pronoun, and this is his plane. It is possessive adjective. Okay, so basically a possessive adjective tells you about an ownership or a position of something. Okay, so children, we will learn possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives deeply in our next video. Okay, in our next class. So children, now turn the page. Here complete these sentences with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So children, see here, this is a wonderful doll. This is a wonderful doll. Its eyes are big and black. There are Mr. and Mrs. Sony and their children. Yes, children. So here it is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective, children. Yes, tell me. So children, it is possessive adjective. Yes, so here this is wonderful doll. Its eyes are big and black. There are Mr. and Mrs. Sony and their children. So here there is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Yes, children, tell me. So here children, there is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so here children, see, theirs, yes, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs are possessive pronouns, and my, our, your, his, her, its, and their are possessive adjectives. Okay, so there, here children, there are Mr. and Mrs. Sony and their children. So here children, there is a possessive adjectives. Yes, so we are late. Our classes begin at 8:30 a.m. This is my sister's bag, isn't it? Yes, there is my sister's bag, isn't it? I am sure it is hers. She is washing her washing her hands. Philip has a lot of books. These are his. So children, in our next class, we will deeply learn about possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives in our next video. Okay, completely we will learn possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives, how we have to use possessive here and how we have to use possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, we will learn in our next class. Children, so here now come to the using words. Okay, so here children, see here what we have to do using words. Unscramble these transport words, find them in the grid. So what we have to do children, we have to here first we have to unscramble these transport words and we have to find them in this grid. Okay, let's do that. URTCK. So children, here there is no meaning in this word. Yes, so what we have to do, so we have to unscramble these words. Yes, so suggest me children, think about it. Yes, URTCK. So children, it is a truck. Yes, truck. TRUCK, truck. So where it is, let's find out. Let's find them in this grid. Okay, so here children, see here. Yes, here it is. Yes, TRUCK, truck. Yes, yes children, so here it is. Yes, truck, like TRUCK, truck. Then the next one children. Yes, tell me ARTIN. Yes, unscramble this word. So children, yes, so here this is, tell me what is this. So children, here this is train. Yes, this is train. TRAIN, train. Yes, TRAIN, train. So here what we have to do, here we have to find it in this grid. So let's find out here. So children, see here. Yes, TRAIN, train. Yes, TRAIN, train. Yes, okay. So now the next one is PLANE. Yes, so children, this is aeroplane. Yes, this is aeroplane. So here let's find them in the grid. Here children, see AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Yes, AEROPLANE. So here children, see. Yes, aeroplane, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Now children, come to the fourth one, IPSH. So children, what is this? Yes, let's unscramble these transport words and let's find them in the grid. So children, this is ship. SHIP. Yes, here you can see sheep. Yes, sheep. Now this is canoe. Yes, this is canoe. Here you can see children, canoe. Yes, then SUV, bus. So where it is? Yes, here it is. Yes, this is bus. BUS, bus. Yes, now what is this children? Motorbike. Yes, motor. So children, what is this? Yes, motorbike. So where it is? Let's find them. Yes, children. So where it is, children? Find out. Okay, so you have to find this words in this grid. Okay, now children, yes, bicycle. So here it is, children. Here it is. See, bicycle. Yes, then van. Yes, so children, here van, bicycle, bus, scooter, train, sheep, aeroplane, then sheep, then canoe. Yes, here canoe. Yes, then van, then scooter. Where is scooter, children? Yes, here scooter. Yes, so children, what we have to do, you have to unscramble these transport words and you have to find them in the grid. Okay, so now, so children, in the next class we will learn possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. ओके, तो मैंने यहाँ पे आपको इसलिए नहीं समझाया है क्योंकि इस possessive pronouns और possessive adjectives को एक पूरा complete वीडियो चाहिए. ओके, तब जाके आपको ये समझ में आएगा. तो बच्चों, हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्या पढ़ेंगे? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस और पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. फिर हम उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, इन सेंटेंस को पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस और पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव से हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, टिल देन stay home, stay safe, complete your fair. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will send PDF. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to complete your fair. Okay, so children, in the next class we will learn possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, so children, till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.